I am Father Emilianus Lakra, the province of Madhya Pradesh. My childhood was very pleasant. My parents loved me, my brothers and sisters loved me. In the village also I experienced that if I happen to be anywhere during the time of meal, I could not go ahead. Then I was with them. What inspired me to join the society? My parish priests and assistants, and even when I went for my class 6 and 7, those days my middle school, to Tongo, there also only the foreign fathers were there. I saw them always after the class. They would take the breviary and recite the rosary. And that I was very much inspired. I saw their prayer life and to go for sick call far away, and they would sit for hours for confession. So that inspired me to join the society. I had a very good experience of the Society of Jesus. During my formation from novitiate to the priesthood, I saw all fathers, very dedicated people. They were religious people in the real sense. They would pray and they inspired brothers to pray and inspired us to work hard in our studies. After the formation, when I was ordained, I felt that society believed in me. So during my whole of my priestly life, actually I enjoyed the company of fathers and I loved my work. What are the challenges or opportunities you came across which help you grow? You see, there were many challenges and many opportunities, especially when I was priest. I was put in new places like Jingo, Kodora, Pratapur, Bagra. These were all new places. And one after that I was put there. And when you are in the new place with new people, you have to see what the people like, what they dislike, how you should approach them. Approaching is very important for a new place. So that was very nice among the Korakus for I think 20 years. And I had a very good experience there. Culture is very important. And I learned their way of eating, their burial, burial ceremony, other things. Main thing was that to grow for a priest is to prayer life. Prayer life should not be neglected. You prepare the mass and say the mass well, and they say very dedicated demand for mass and other things. You have to go to people, and you have to be faithful to the calling. Like sick call. Sick call is very important. So you should never miss the sick call. I actually in my life I don't remember any day I missed or I have neglected to go and reach the sick person. What is the contribution of the Society of Jesus for the good of the humanity? If you read the history of the Society of Jesus, you will find in all the countries, our fathers were the first to go and proclaim the gospel. Take in India, North America, South America, and other places also. Though it was for India, it was religious people, so that was not very difficult. But in America, North and South America, many were killed. They used to go with the people. They will live with them, and many were martyrs. So our society has done a lot for the people, especially people of periphery. Today society has not come. Church to have a very different church. How do I perceive and how do I enjoy life? Actually, tell you the truth, I enjoyed my priestly life very much. You go, you do your priestly prayer and priestly work. That is to saying mass, going to sick call, and visiting people, visiting other people, new people, new to approach, how to approach new people, how to deal with them. All these things helped me to grow, and I enjoyed all the work in the society. Could you please share some humorous event that in your life you could laugh or you made others laugh? That's actually what happened, no? Before I joined, I went to Apostolic School only for the college. So before that thing, I talked about Father Dayaghar, Dev Dayaghar. He was my headmaster, so I talked to him about my intention of joining the Apostolic School and going ahead on that line. So he said, all right. So I prepared, but I did not tell anybody. My parents, dear friends also, I did not tell anybody. So what happened? Before I left for Apostolic School, a girl comes there. He gives me a handkerchief. I understood the meaning of the handkerchief. I took it. I did not say no. After 1 week, I left for Ranchi, Apostolic School. She was so much ashamed. After that, she never met me. She did not come for my ordination in the village. The reception. Then she never met me. So at the end of my ministry, I will say, one day I decided to go and meet her. So without announcing, I went to that is her house, Katkai, near Katkai. So I went, and she was so much vulgar, she could not speak even a word. Just I said, don't be afraid, I am your brother, no? Don't worry, whatever has happened, no? You have got children, 4 or 5 children you have got. And I said, now I am a priest, I have tried to work my priestly life well. That is the thing, so don't be sorry for that, that only I said.
अब्बा पिता मैं अपनी आत्मा को तेरे हाथों सौंपता हूँ। रे मनुष्य तुम जाओ। रे मनुष्य तुम मिट्टी हो, मिट्टी में ही मिल जाओ। जीत घर संसार सभी को, जीत घर संसार सभी को, कब्जा मुट्ठी भर पाओ, कब्जा मुट्ठी भर पाओ। अब्बा पिता, अब्बा पिता, मैं अपनी आत्मा को तेरे हाथों सौंपता हूँ।